Welcome back to Quick Tips with your girlfriend Renee. Today I am talking about the app Momento, which is a GIF making app, also kind of like a boomerang. It's a little bit of both. So it is that right there. It is like a little triangle thing. It is a free app, but to do a lot of the features you have to upgrade, which that's annoying, but it's fun. So what it does is when you open it, it makes all of your pictures into a GIF. So what you can do is you can choose still pictures and make it into a GIF, or you can stand here and video one. I'll show you exactly which one. So by choosing the library option where you make one, you can choose all of your pictures and make them into an actual GIF. So then it's gonna ask you to like upgrade, which I'm cheap, I ain't doing that shit. I'm just trying to show y'all. But you can choose up to like 6 photos where you're like, and it'll turn it into a GIF for you. So it's super fun and it looks adorable. My friend Sam told me about it and hers was so damn cute. I can't even. Or you can do a video. So what you can do is record your own. So you can do, doing this on the fly. So it pulls up a camera just like this. So all you do is, I'll show you. You push on and you're like, super annoying like that, and then it'll turn it into a GIF. So it'll load. Oh, wow, really it's gonna stop on that pose, and then it turns it into like a cute little GIF that you can use for your Instagram stories, your Instagram profile, or anything fun like that. You can also adjust the speed. You can put filters. So as you can see, it'll do like hearts, it'll do anything like that. You can do regular filters, no filters. You can contrast it, you can add music. It's super fun to use. It's just takes a little bit to get to know it. You can add GIFs to it too, which is kind of fun. But I don't know, it's not my favorite, but it's amazing just because it's super fun, but you have to upgrade to get the benefits of it. So Momento app, it'll create GIFs like this, or you can choose to upgrade and you can take pictures and then turn them into a really cute GIF as well. So Momento app, check it out. Let me know what you think. Stay tuned for more Quick Tips with your girlfriend Renee.